Ladies and gentlemen, gear herds and speed freaks, welcome back to MotorMinds, where we bring you the hottest, most powerful machines on the planet, and today we have something that will blow your mind. The brand new 2025 Shelby F-150 pickup truck, a beast that combines raw American muscle with off-road dominance like never before. So buckle up, because this is not just a truck, it is a statement. Imagine a pickup that does not just roar but screams power. A truck that turns heads on the streets and dominates the trails. The 2025 Shelby F-150 is a monster born from the legendary Ford F-150 and fine-tuned by the performance wizards at Shelby American. It is bigger, bolder, and more brutal than ever before. Under the hood, this beast packs an insane 5.0-liter V8 engine. Now here is where things get wild. Shelby takes this already powerful engine and supercharges it to a jaw-dropping 775 horsepower. That is right, 775 horses under your right foot, ready to launch this pickup into super truck territory. Imagine stepping on the gas and feeling that instant surge of power as this truck roars to life. Performance is not just about raw power, it is about control, and Shelby has left no stone unturned. This F-150 features a custom performance suspension system tuned by Shelby to handle everything from drag strip launches to Rocky Mountain trails. Fox shocks provide superior damping, allowing you to glide over bumps like they do not even exist, while maintaining firm control at high speeds. Whether you are carving through the dunes or cruising on the highway, this truck delivers an unrivaled driving experience. Let us talk about the looks, because this truck is an absolute head-turner. The aggressive Shelby styling starts with a bold Ram Air hood with massive vents feeding fresh air to the supercharger. Shelby's signature striping and badging make sure everyone knows this is no ordinary F-150. Widened fender flares house massive all-terrain tires wrapped around custom Shelby wheels, giving it a stance that is as mean as its performance. And of course, the custom front grille with integrated LED light bar not only enhances visibility, but also adds to its menacing presence on the road. Step inside and you are greeted with an interior that screams luxury and performance. Shelby-branded leather seats with custom stitching offer premium comfort while reminding you that you are in something special. Carbon fiber accents, aluminum pedals, and a serialized dash plaque showcasing its exclusivity make sure every drive feels like an event. And with the latest tech features, including an advanced infotainment system and premium sound system, you are not just driving, you are commanding a powerhouse with the latest connectivity at your fingertips. Now, let us talk about capability, because the 2025 Shelby F-150 is not just a showpiece, it is a workhorse with an attitude. Equipped with an upgraded off-road suspension, high-performance exhaust system, and underbody armor, this truck is ready to take on anything. Whether you are hauling, towing, or just tearing up the dirt, this Shelby truck does it all with unmatched aggression. Shelby American has always been about exclusivity, and the 2025 Shelby F-150 is no different. This beast is produced in limited numbers, making it a rare sight on the roads. If you want to own one, you better act fast, because these trucks get snapped up by enthusiasts who know exactly what they are getting. A piece of Shelby heritage that delivers brutal power and jaw-dropping presence. So what do you think about the 2025 Shelby F-150? Is it the ultimate performance pickup? Would you take this over a Raptor or a TRX? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love high-performance machines, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to MotorMinds, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adrenaline-pumping episode. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.